Hey guys, Dragon's Oz here, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Paisa Garage. This is episode 4, and today I'm just gonna be doing some deep cleaning in the truck because it needs it, and a little bit of light restoration because it needs it too. And I think we'll just get right into the video. So in the middle of washing my truck, I dropped the water hose and it got me. So these are my turn signal lights at the bottom. As you can see, they're pretty yellow. I already took both of them off on it. You can see here, there. My top ones are kind of yellow too, but you don't really gotta worry about these. I already worked on this side a little bit, so it's a little bit clearer than this side. And this area here, see that you can see how it's really yellow on this one. But I'm gonna show you how to fix that too. And over here, I'll grab this to show you guys the difference. I've already worked on this one. This one's drying right now, and I'll show you why. But you can see the difference already. There's a big difference. And so yeah. So what you're gonna need is your headlight. You're gonna want to clean it with some Windex. All my stuff is over here. Let's go find it real quick. So what you're gonna need is some Windex or something to clean it up, a razor, and a rag. And I have all my stuff over here. This Turtle Wax rubbing compound premium. It's supposed to be for plastics and paint and stuff. Looks pretty good. You're also gonna need some clear. This is glitter seal, but it'll work the same. And some sandpaper. This one's wet because I wet sanded it already, but I'm using 150. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to wet it a little bit. I'm gonna wet it. Sorry if I'm breathing a little bit harder, I'm kind of sick. So you're gonna wet it, and then you're gonna use your sandpaper. I'm just gonna use this one again. And sand it down. Not a hard sand, just a light sand enough to rough it up a little bit. See how the yellow's coming off a little bit? Yeah. You can see how it's clearing up a little bit too, compared to over here. Yeah. So then, gonna wipe it off. I don't know if you can see if it's a little bit scratched up. Yeah, you can see it right there, how it's scratched up. That's good. Now, when you go ahead and do the whole headlight, now keep in mind this will work for any car. You're gonna want to spray it with some clear, and it's gonna look like orange peel, real bumpy. But that just means you have to do several coats. Just like here, how it's looking a little bit better. Oh, you can still see the orange peel a bit, but not as much no more because I've done a couple coats on this already. But you're gonna want to do a couple coats on it to make it look perfect. Now over here, you're gonna want to use that rubbing compound. Put on a rag, just put it on. As you can see, I've used this already. And just put it on and rub it on in circles until it starts to dry up. And then you're gonna want to use a microfiber towel. You want to use this to get it all off, and then it'll look clear. You can see the difference. This one looks yellow, this one looks clear. Alright guys, One day I do hope to get LEDs for my truck. Keep that in mind. But yeah, I guess I'll just post you guys up when this one's better. Deuce.